Hey guys, welcome to our weekly series where we take a look at the very best animation designs that are out there and then talk about what we like about them. Make sure that you let us know in the comments below what your favorite designs are because we love to hear from you and we read every single comment. Without further ado, let's get right into the To start us off this week, this is an absolutely lovely interactive fairy tale platform. The web application allows children to explore their fantasies and different characters. I love the transitions between the pages, which are meant to have a type of watercolor effect, which is really well matching the overall design. The typography is animated with a combination of effects, and it really imitates the turning of pages. All of these amazing details really correspond to the overall subject of this website. Next up, this is a really cool motion design of a wave animation meant to represent the voice features of an AI system. I love the attention to detail and the way that the design zooms in, and it has a really great luminosity overall. This next animation is a trio of 3 helicopters that are slowing down into a landing and then speeding up again into a departure. Overall, I really love the colors here, and I think that they've made a very good use of subtle gradients, which are reflected in both the shading of the helicopter right at the bottom, as well as the shadows of the flight. Overall, really great design work. Just a quick note, guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to subscribe because we've got a lot of cool content coming out soon. Next up, we have an animation for a leaderboard app. We get a nice preview of an onboarding screen as well as different feeds and search engine screens throughout. The animations are smooth and simple, and I like the background with a very subtle shape that is rotating around the screen. It definitely adds a little bit of extra interest to this app overall. Here's an awesome animation for a scheduling function. This interaction is to represent a visualization for the start of different project timelines. We get this great swipe animation as all of the tasks are shown, and then it's just superimposed over a calendar timeline. So it's very clear to the user what's happening, and it's just a very simple and smooth animation design. This is one of my absolute favorite designs this week. We have these beautiful animations for a children's book. This website uses augmented reality to create an adventure for children using this online platform. I love the illustration style and how they've used the illustrations straight out of the physical book. And they've kept this style, but then animated to fit a digital space. The background has this slight noise effect as well, which gives a bit of a retro vibe. And this just ties super well to the theme of this children's book. It's just a beautiful, beautiful website. This gym tracking app is very dramatic, and the presentation uses this smoke effect for even added drama. The rest of the app is simple and clean, using a minimal color palette with this strong red color as the accent, which gives a pretty masculine feel. It also gives a nice contrast to the otherwise black and white design. The plans are then presented using these swiping cards and some basic illustrations and photos throughout. And the last design for the week is this funky motion of a luxury car over a village background. The way that the motion is created is through the painting in the background, the rotating wheels, and the bouncing up and down of the car. And I like how the background slows down and then the car speeds up across the screen. This definitely would be really fitting for a story animation or maybe a highly illustrated web page. That's it for this week, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite design was. We would love to hear from you. Make sure to click that notification button and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We post every single Monday.